Hello, we are going to discuss about GATE 2012 ECE paper. Look at the circuit diagram. If VA minus VB, the nodes indicated VA minus VB is 6 volts, find the value of VC minus VD. Okay. So look at the circuit diagram and it looks like difficult, but it is a very easy question. Since we know the voltage drop across VA and VB is 6 volts, we can calculate current flowing through this 2 ohms because we know the voltage, we know the resistance. So I is equal to current flowing through this 2 ohm resistor. I flowing through 2 ohms is equal to 6 by 2 ohms, which is nothing but 3 amperes. That 3 amperes is now divided into 2 branches or not. Okay. So say it as this is I1 and this is I2. The current is now dividing into I1 and I2. So this I2 is again, this is I2. This I2 is again divided into 2 branches, which is I22 and it is I21. So I2 is divided into I21 and I22. So this I22 is flowing through voltage source as well as resistance. So the current flowing through this one is also I22. Current coming from this one is I21. So sum of these two currents is nothing but I2, and again it is coming as I1. So are you going to get the same current or not? These two are going to be clubbed together. It will be treated as I2 and I2 plus I1, which is nothing but I itself. So that I value is 3 amperes. So the meaning is nothing but you are going to get the same current which is in opposite direction, okay, as 3 amperes. So this is the current direction. 3 amperes is coming out of this node. Okay. So 3 amperes is coming from this one and it is going through this circuit and it is coming back as 3 amperes only. Now what is the current flowing through this 1 ohm? So current flowing through 1 ohm, say it as Ix. Ix is the current flowing through 1 ohm. So apply KCL at that node. So from that one you can say Ix is equal to 2 plus, okay, Ix is equal to minus 2 plus 2 plus 3. Ix is equal to 2 plus 3, which is nothing but 5 amperes. Ix is equal to 2 amperes plus 3 amperes, total is 5 amperes. Okay. Now Vc minus Vd we require. Vc minus Vd. Vc minus Vd is nothing but, here we assume that one, this is the major potential and it is reference potential. Vc minus Vd, but the actual current direction is flowing in opposite way. Vc minus Vd is, Vc is higher potential, Vd is lower potential, the assumption. So current, we assume that one current is flowing from C to D node, okay, but actual current is flowing from D to C, okay, because Ix current direction, this shows that one current is moving from D to C, but Vc minus Vd means current, we assume that one moving from C to D, so that we will write it as I into 1 ohm with minus sign. Since assumed current is in opposite direction of actual current, so that means minus of I means 5 into 1 ohm, that is nothing but minus 5 volts. So Vc minus Vd is equal to minus 5 volts. So the right answer for this question is minus 5 volts. Thank you.